I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to restart your Nintendo Switch Lite. Whether you're dealing with a frozen screen, performance issues, or just want to give your console a fresh start, knowing how to properly restart your Switch Lite can be really helpful. A restart can often solve minor glitches and improve the overall performance of your device without needing to reset everything. So if you're ready to fix those minor issues and keep your Switch Lite running at its best, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Navigate to your Nintendo Switch Lite home screen. Press and hold the power button located at the top of your Nintendo Switch Lite. You'll eventually see a power menu open. Step 2. Select Power Options. The Power Options menu opens. Step 3. Select Restart. Your Nintendo Switch Lite will restart. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.